Welcome to my YouTube channel Unfold Biography. Today we will talk about Prophet Lut alayhi salam. Let's start the video. Prophet Lut alayhi salam is a significant figure in the Abrahamic religions, particularly in Islam, Christianity, and Judaism. In Islam, he is considered a prophet sent by Allah to guide the people of a city called Sodom. His story is shared in the Quran, where he is described as a righteous man who warned his people about their immoral behavior. Lut alayhi salam was a relative of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam and shared similar values. He was chosen by Allah to deliver a message to the people of Sodom and its surrounding cities, where people had become known for their sinful practices. These included acts of homosexuality, as well as widespread corruption, violence, and dishonesty. Lut alayhi salam's task was to call them to repentance and to return to righteous living. Despite Lut alayhi salam's persistent efforts, the people of Sodom ignored his warnings and continued with their immoral behavior. The people of Sodom mocked Lut alayhi salam and rejected the message of Allah many times. Lut alayhi salam was deeply troubled by the resistance, but he remained steadfast in his duty to call his people to goodness and righteousness. He emphasized that they should worship Allah alone, live justly, and abandon their sinful ways. One day, two angels disguised as travelers came to visit Lut alayhi salam. The people of Sodom, known for their evil acts, tried to harm the guests, but Lut alayhi salam offered them shelter, knowing that they were angels. Lut alayhi salam tried to protect the guests and even offered his own daughters to the people in exchange, but they refused. Realizing that the people would not change, the angels revealed their true identity. They told Lut alayhi salam to leave the city with his followers, as Allah had decided to punish the wicked people. The angels warned Lut alayhi salam that the punishment was near and that he should not look back as they left the city. Lut alayhi salam and his followers hurriedly left Sodom, but Lut alayhi salam's wife, who had not truly believed in his message, looked back at the city. As a result, she was turned into a pillar of salt, a punishment for her disobedience. The rest of Lut alayhi salam's followers were saved, but the wicked people of Sodom faced the wrath of Allah. The angels then brought down a devastating punishment upon Sodom. The city was destroyed by a mighty storm of stones and fire, and the people were wiped out. This event is seen as a powerful lesson about the consequences of immoral behavior and disobedience to Allah's commands. The ruins of Sodom are mentioned as a reminder to future generations. Prophet Lut alayhi salam's story is a clear example of patience, persistence, and the importance of standing firm in one's faith, even when facing rejection and mockery. His life teaches the importance of moral integrity and the dangers of corrupting one's society through sinful acts. In Islam, he is revered as a prophet who upheld the truth and delivered Allah's message despite the challenges he faced. In the Quran, Lut alayhi salam's story serves as a warning to all people about the consequences of ignoring divine guidance and the moral decay that leads to punishment. His unwavering commitment to his mission remains an inspiring lesson for believers, showing that righteousness is always the path to salvation, no matter how difficult the journey may be. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment down.